going to be an issue if I
Jesse, you ready?
go get wires and stuff?
Okay, ready? All right. I gotta take these off, Jesse. Jesse, are you ready to do the legend motion?
All right, Jesse's here doing the lights.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Done. Mission complete. Done. Mission complete.
So in the traditional van, hardwired lighting, it took an hour, and that did not even include running the switches. In the Legend van, with no switches to run and all the plug-and-play connectors, it was 25 minutes done. This van, with the switches and all, it's gonna be an hour and a half. You're talking 3 times as long to do the traditional wiring versus Legend lighting. Light them up.
So one thing we wanted to try and do is really de-skill the process so that they could take a standard production worker off the shop floor and they could do the lighting so that your auto electricians can really focus on the stuff that is complex. So the plug and play system really delivers that. Anyone can literally assemble the system. You can't put the plugs in wrong. It goes exactly like this, clunk, 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 clunk. So it's very, very fast, and it doesn't take an auto electrical person to do it. So there's a significant labour saving, which obviously means they get more vehicles out the door every single day when they're not able to control the flow of vehicles into the production facility. So suddenly they'll be landed with a 50 or 100 or 150 vans which are needing to get through the production facility and out to the customers. The customer's been waiting 6 months, they're 6 months overdue, and they basically want these vehicles on the road and operational as fast as possible. So they're going through the workshop at a high pace, getting the flooring in, getting the racking in, etc. And then it gets to the electrical bay and it starts being a bottleneck because it is a slightly more complex arrangement. So the plug and play system really helps alleviate that problem as well, because it means that anyone can basically install the lighting. So it means you can ultimately deliver those vehicles out to the customer faster.
And of course, with our system, there's no switch to run and it's motion sensor. Let's see how that goes. So we step into the vehicle and the lights turn on as I walk in. So if my hands were full, it would be no problem. I don't have to fumble around in the dark for a switch. And when I walk away from the vehicle after 30 seconds of no motion, they'll shut off.